There is no better way to reward commitment and hard work than to acknowledge and celebrate it during one's lifetime. This must have informed the Lagos State Police Command's decision to honor Acting Inspector General of Police Idowu Owohunwa of the Force Criminal Investigation Department in Alagbon, Lagos, in an elaborate ceremony for his indelible contributions and impact while serving as the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State. The State Command has become an impressive model in policing with a robust architecture and committed workforce, owing to Owohunwa's strides while in charge. AIG Idowu Owohunwa, while serving as the Commissioner of Police Lagos State, was exceptional, an administrator and leader known for advocating anti-corruption and proactive crime-fighting policing while serving Lagos, and he's taking the same energy and drive to the Force CID. Furthermore, before his recent elevation as AIG in charge of the Force Criminal Investigation Department in Ikoyi, Idowu Owohunwa had served in various capacities in the force with exceptional competence, loyalty, sacrifice and dedication to the Nigeria Police Force.
You are such an exceptional officer of the law, and we want to, on behalf of the police persons following in Lagos State, want to commend you to keep up the pace of your professionalism as you grow higher, and hoping that one day we shall celebrate with you as AIG, as IG of Nigerian Police. God bless you and enjoy your evening. Thank you.
He came into Lagos State, transformed everywhere. You get to a place, you spend just about a few months, not up to a year, not even up to 10 months. And he came in, those places you have been before, you get to the place, you see, this is a different place. This is a different place. You can see, you cannot even park in front of the place before. We saw car park. Where did the car park come from? Is it from heaven or from where? The man is a transforming person and very, very quiet.
This is a man, a seasoned police officer who is so vast. He's so vast, he's so thorough. I'm talking about a man who mediocrity dares not even come around him. You don't even dare it because it's written all over him. As calm as he can be, he will make his point in a very quiet manner and everything keeps going on fine. I'm talking about a man who is so intentional. If you listen to the what was read about him, the citation, you will know that everything kept following and kept going in stages and phases.
So it was a right call and time to testify about and celebrate the star officer at an auspicious event which gathered high-profile security officers such as the Commander 9th Brigade of the Nigerian Army, Comptroller of Customs, NSCDC Commandant Lagos State Command, Comptroller Correctional Service, and other sister agencies under the current Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, Adegoke Fayode, as the chief host. At the very colorful event, AIG Owohunwa could not hide his joy while he listened to officers, friends, and associates speak so glowingly of him. At the event, he spoke to journalists about his drive and plans for his new office.
If we talk about the success stories under my watch in Lagos State, I think I was privileged to have a very smooth and supportive relationship with the media, of which, of course, you are a very critical component. So I want to truly thank you and thank the other members of that realm for the support. Fayode, my brother, my successor, is a seasoned police officer with very vast experience in terms of policing Lagos. So I would think, like he said in his speech, for every step you take as a leader, you are going to leave behind some values, some strategies, some architecture. And because he's grounded, he came in and it was easy for him to appreciate the architecture we left behind, the strategies. And he has said it openly here that all he would need to do is to build on that, and he assured that he will.
On assumption of office, I discovered that I have a solid security architecture in place, which I could leverage on. Perfect interagency collaboration, community engagement policing, Cutting-edge technologies. These and other things I'm going to leverage on to improve security and safety in Lagos.
The AIG also shared a few thoughts for his successor on reinforcing the Lagos security architecture and need for collaboration with other sister agencies.